What's up guys, RC Nerds here. Got the Maxx, got my new motor in. This is the 1515 2200 kV motor. Got the stock gearing 23 tooth pinion and then the 50 tooth spur gear. I decided to keep it stock because these wheels are a lot bigger and they're heavier than the stock ones. Then of course the Mamba Monster X right there. Stock servo turned up to 7.5 volts. It's gonna burn out at some point, so I'm just trying to use it up and use it while it's strong, you know. So, but here we are, gonna test it out, and if nothing breaks, I have my paddles with me and I'll test that too, or I'll test those as well. You need to stay hydrated. And of course this is censored. Also, this motor has tons of torque, and I can tell that because it takes a lot to turn that shaft, but it's very, very nice with it being censored. I'll tell you one thing though, I can already feel it. This ESC is a lot more responsive than the stock one, the stock VXL 4S. So I had the stock plastic spur gear back on, and I do have a 50 tooth steel one on order. So that's with my voltage turned up. Didn't quite have enough wheel speed right there. Let's try this one. There we go. Ah, I almost had it. Excuse me. Man, that servo saver is way too loose. Like, those wheels just turn back and forth, and that's without me even correcting. It's hard to keep it straight. Whoa. Almost hit myself again. All right, I'm gonna try something, guys. This could be really cool or really bad. Either way, I'm gonna try it. And I'm gonna take my windows down in case I hit them, or in case hit the side. That way I don't shatter a window. Ugh. All right. That was pretty cool. I got it pretty easy, I think. I hope you enjoyed that, because I sure as heck did. Barely made that one. Comment down below if you want to see more stuff like that. Well guys, you know what? I'm thoroughly impressed with how the stock, not the electronics, but the stock body and drive shafts, A-arms, everything, is holding up so far. I don't think I've broken anything yet on it. I've taken some pretty crazy crashes too. Oh yeah, that's pretty toasty. All right, these are the new paddles from Power Hobby. Looks like they're sealed completely, so that's good. And it's belted. It's missing some glue right here. It's all right. All right, got those roosters on, or what are they called? Power Hobby, yeah. Rooster 3.8s. You can see all the dirt that they carry up with them. Those sound awesome. Oh! That sounded kind of weird. I might have. I think I knocked something loose. It sounds funny somewhere. That diff's still good. This one's still good. Holy cow! This servo saver really is way too loose. Sounds like I messed up my mesh maybe when I crashed it like that. Sounds like something's clicking a little bit. Oh boy. I think these get more air off the jump because at the last second you can gun it and there's just that much more grip with it. Yeah, you hear that? There's something clicking. Oh. I think maybe I stripped out my spur. I'm gonna go ahead and guess it's the spur, but let's take a look right now. I brought my tools. Yeah, you see how I can tell that those are way worn down. That's the plastic spur gear. I had a feeling that was gonna happen, especially, you know, when you got a torquey motor like this with tires that can really lay down what you're putting down. It just strains that drivetrain so easy. And yeah, all the tops of that spur, they're all worn down. My mesh is still good, and my pinion's still on there good. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a sick bash. This thing definitely can take what you throw at it as far as jumps, backflips, wheelies, crashes. Yeah, besides, you know, upgrading what I did to get the power that I wanted, this is a very, very solid vehicle. I haven't bent any shock shafts. Everything is working really good. The only thing is that this servo saver leaves a lot to be desired. Definitely need to tighten that up, because that's how much play there is without even moving the servo, and that's just too much for me anyway. But anyways, guys, that was a blast. Hope you enjoyed watching that. And if you want to see more stuff with my vehicle and doing tricks like that, let me know. Otherwise, peace out. You guys have a good day and keep bashing. Until next time.